As far as I came from Kabul, so the Kabul was occupied by Taliban, and I think there will be a new government. There will be a new government, maybe a new settlement. So yet it's not clear who will be next president, what will happen. So everyone is waiting. When I came to airport, it was 1 o'clock in the noon. Yeah, the people were very worried.
वहाँ पे क्या जो बताया जा रहा है लेडीज के लिए खतरा है या क्या क्या डर है
सबके लिए मामी जान
I have never felt it to this extent, helpless, hopeless, disappointed, poor and miserable in my life. All our 20 years achievement maybe just go in blinks of few days. I was a child when they were here, when they were there. Now I am an adult. I have seen how these people are. Yes, we accept US should leave the country, but why this way? At least they should come a little bit, given some time. Our government, they should stay at least inside. They should not create this vacuum.
I'm pursuing my MBA. I was thinking like after doing my MBA, I'm going to go back to my country. Whatever I have learned there, I'm going to work. I might I will serve my country. But the situation is now completely, we can say, a disaster right now for us. As we have done our course, everything here in India, if you go back to our country, especially, if you go back to our country, especially Taliban, they are kind of allied with Pakistan, and we have studied in India. So they are just two opposite sides of a coin, and they're not going to match. And I think it's a big danger for us to go back. Now we think like staying in here, but if we stay here, the Indian government will not issue us visa. So illegally we cannot stay here. We cannot work here. So we are just like, a leaf in the wind, which is going that side. Wherever the wind is pushing, we're going that side.
तो यानी बहुत ज़्यादा एंजाइटी और डिप्रेशन था, लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा तशवीश था, लेकिन आज से मालूम होगा कि इंशाल्लाह मुल्क में कुछ भी नहीं होगा. ये पहले जो एक महीने का बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानी था, अभी जो हमने रिपोर्ट लिया है वो सारे अफगानिस्तान में लोग आराम है. कोई जगह थोड़ा सा लड़ाई है, लेकिन ज़्यादा लड़ाई नहीं, लोग अमन में है. महिलाएं और पॉलिटिकल लोग जो है ये सारा अमन में है. जब हम काबुल में थे 5 बजे तक, तो प्रेसिडेंट ने काबुल को नहीं छोड़ा था. अब हम फ्लाइट में नया आया है. अभी हमको पता नहीं कि उसने काबुल छोड़ा है या नहीं, लेकिन सारा पॉलिटिक्स लोग जो था, मिनिस्टर जैसा हमारा एडवाइजर, वो सारा मुख्तलिफ फ्लाइट में बैठ गया और काबुल से उड़ गया. हमारे साथ जो हमारा पुराने जिहादी लीडर्स थे, जैसा उस्ताद सयाब, अब्दुर्रब सयाब, नादरी साहब, और दूसरा मिनिस्टर था, पार्लियामेंट मेंबर था, तकरीबन कोई 200 आदमी था जो हम अभी दिल्ली को पहुंच गया है. तालिबान ने ऐलान किया है कि वो पुराने जैसा हम हुकूमत हम नहीं बनाएंगे, जो महिलाओं की इजाज़त नहीं होगा, दूसरा फरीको और दूसरा पार्टी जो है, दूसरा मजहब का लोग उसमें नहीं होगा. इस बार उसने वादा किया कि सारों मजहब को, सारा लोगों को, महिलाओं को हम इजाज़त दे देंगे, हिजाब में वो काम कर सकता है. उसने वादा किया कि इंशाल्लाह हम सारा अफगानिस्तान को अमन ला रहा है.
The situation is not bad. The government has changed. I think there is going to be a reform, and there isn't any war going on. Everything was peacefully done, and the government is going to transfer from one side to another peacefully, I think that's a very irresponsible action for a president, because at the time that the country was in trouble, in a very serious trouble, the president just came out of the country irresponsible. And I think that hurts the heart of every Afghan in Afghanistan, because we expected a lot. Actually, they're still trying, but because, when the demand of something goes high, the thing is going to be very hard. And right now, the demand of escaping from the country is very high. So I think it'll take some time, but they're into it, and they will do it.